Well, greetings to all the people watching this video. Welcome to AloneBoyBike. And this is our tour 2, or the second time we do a touring. And this time we're going to a temple in Sam Phrao village, or Ban Sam Phrao. And the name of the temple is Wat Swang Samakhi. But before we go, we need to do a quick check to our bike to make sure it will be both fun and safe at the same time for our trip. Looks like the bike is okay, so let's go. I have been both living and working in Udon Thani Rajpat University for quite some time now. Still, anytime I'm going out of that gate, as you see right now, is the feeling of both excite and, fear at the same time, because as a bike, and my bike is really small, it could be dangerous at times, as you will see a lot of cars riding by and past me. I guess my music from my phone there really soothes my nerve. Let's make a quick stop at 7-Eleven, a local convenience store. Riding a motorcycle, or even a bicycle like me in Thailand, it's really difficult sometimes and dangerous too. As you will see, this road and this particular area doesn't really have shoulders for bicycles or bike or motorcycle to ride on. And that's why we have to, ride together like this. So you have to be extra careful. And now we have just reached Wat Swang Samakhi. As you can see, it's pretty empty because I'm a bit too late, as it is about 7 o'clock right now. Hey there! Hey man! Or girl, I don't know. And here I was sitting and waiting for the time to make a Buddhist offering to the monks, as it was my birthday not too long ago, and my mother suggested to me you should make a Buddhist offering to monks, especially the little ones, the young ones, as we call Nen in Thailand. So I did. After the offerings, I went on to have a breakfast at a local Eastern restaurant. I ordered myself a full body of grilled chicken with sticky rice. Sadly, I was too hungry to take the photos. I guess I could say how delicious it was. And now it's time for us to go. But first, let me pack a few things, starting from my gloves, my hat, and then the bag to the front of the bike. Really convenient. And lastly, my phone, which I use mostly for navigation and music while I was biking. I just love the unfolding. As for our last stop, we're going to stop at Over the Moon, a cafe and bistro. It is really delicious and good. You should try it. Ban Sam Phrao has become really populated with both people and businesses To the left, you could see some of the businesses, small ones and medium ones, popping up a lot. And it has been growing up a lot since I first came here 4 years ago. And now we are back at the campus. To the right, you will see the gate that we just left from the start of our video. The campus has been growing a lot for the past 4 years when they first came here. At that time, there was no gate like this. Now, it's all straight up like this. And we're still growing. I would like to end this video with a slide of Building 1. As you can see from the center, this is the main building of the campus, and there are so many nicknames popularly given by the students, such as the Spaceship Building and 7-Eleven Building. Perhaps we could talk about it next time. See you again, and thank you for watching.